Nazdar, fellow enthusiasts, and welcome! New Android port of Rain World has been just released, and today we are checking it out. So let's get cracking! First and foremost, quick disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only, and it serves as a celebration of the Rain World and its original creator's video code, as well as the guy who ported it over to Android, Skyzek. Big up to you guys! Now, what is Rain World, you may ask? Rain World is a 2D survival platformer with simple graphics and nice atmosphere, originally released for PS4, Windows and Switch, and now it finally receives even this unofficial PC to Android port that you can enjoy on your smartphones right now. You are this creature called Slugcat. You gotta evade the predators that they're trying to catch you. You gotta search for food so you can hibernate in between the downpours that would otherwise kill you. There is a lot more to this game than it meets the eye. Rain World as a game is very hard, and it doesn't forgive. It also doesn't exactly tell you what to do. You gotta mostly figure it out by yourself, and that requires a lot of dying. I haven't tried the game prior to this video, and I gotta say I was pleasantly surprised. Even though it isn't exactly my cup of tea, it's very intriguing. Now to the port itself. It runs very good. If you wanna see full changelog, go check it out. It's on Dan Cooper's Discord, link is down below. It has similar features like the Hollow Knight port. If you haven't seen my previous video, I'll put a card in the right corner. Also subscribe if you like this content, cause there is more to come. Controllers are supported as well as touchscreen. You can also customize the button layout on the screen and choose either D-pad or joystick. But I would recommend to use controller, of course, cause you know the touchscreen is only gonna get you that far. Plus many maneuvers are also very tricky to perform even with the physical controls. It should run fine on medium spec smartphone, but you can also add 30 FPS cap. There is also option for the arena, the local multiplayer mode, which is pretty fun. Overall, I feel this is another solid piece to add in your Android homebrew library. It takes some time to get into it, so give it a few moments, and if you're not gonna like it, then just delete it and no big deal. Huge thanks to developers for hard work, huge thanks to you for watching, give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe so we can see each other in the upcoming video. Peace out!